Ibtida from India.
Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam.
Sir, I live in India, and there are many mosques which don't have the right Aqidah near my neighborhood, and I don't have any correct mosque in my neighborhood, and I think, where should I pray? Like, I don't get any type of Jama'ah in first prayer as the Prophet ordered us to pray it in Jamaat.
There is a difference between not having the proper Aqidah and having a corrupt Aqidah that involves shirk. So not having the correct Aqidah is permissible for you to pray behind them because they're still Muslims. But an Imam who does shirk or kufr and has kufr beliefs, you don't pray behind them. You have an option to pray in the second congregation. You come deliberately late to pray with a second congregation with an Imam, another person, or you lead the salat in the second congregation, or to pray home if this is not possible.